and seal on the top. Let's welcome the cooking Ubras. Let's give a round of applause for that famous chef in the world. Let's welcome Chef Taiji Caguerido. Second, Chef Otang Flores. And that's Chef Caterina. Arpa Alvarez.
Before we start, first start, there are some rules in preparing the baking. The first step, you have to wear your appropriate your iron, proper hand iron, and afterwards a rod. Yan. Then the hairnet and the second step, you have to use the appropriate tools and utensils. First one, the mixer, the sister, the bowl, and other mixing, then another mixing bowl. Then the third is use of following the correct procedure. The first step, you have to separate. The first step, you have to sift first the all dry ingredients in order to have a accurate measurement. So we have to first the cake flour. Second step, you have to separate the egg yolk from egg white. Oh my God, it's windy day. The next step, if you separate the egg yolk from egg white, you have to prepare another bowl for the egg yolk. The third, mix the egg white. After you skip, the next step, we have to make a well. We have to make a well. Like a construction work. And then after you make a well, we have to put in the hole the egg yolk. Then mix it thoroughly. You're very good. You're best in mixing. That's not the right proper of. The right proper of mixing is single stroke. While mixing the egg yolk and the cake flour, we have to preheat the oven. Preheat. Mas preheat. And preheat the oven. Our representative for preheating the oven.
Okay, chef.
Then the next step, put a pineapple juice in the mixing bowl. Sabi na. Then, another, put some nutmeg. Then, put some, a little bit of vanilla. And the last is the cinnamon powder. Then, the last step, put it in the oven. In the oven. Like,
So, while you're waiting, let's call on their special guest. Let's call on for Miss Japan and Miss Australia.
after 15 minutes, after you flip the oven, you will get the final product mo of chocolate cake. This is the product of for today's recipe. Chocolate cupcake.
Okay, let's call on for the guest to taste the chocolate cake.
No. We have happy days for today, so we have to form a line.